we're going to find the missing angles in this triangle. Now, what do we know about a triangle? We know that it has 3 sides and 3 angles. What about the total of the angles in a triangle? The total of the angles is always 180 degrees. So I know that the total of the 3 angles in my triangle is 180. Now this triangle that I have is an isosceles triangle. And I know that because there are 2 equal sides and there are 2 equal angles. So I'm going to show this on my bar. So I know the total of the angles is 180 degrees. I've been given one of them, which is 76. The other one must be equal because this is an isosceles triangle and that has 2 equal angles. Okay, so I'm going to show that I've got 2 76s and then I need to find the final missing angle. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the given angles. So 6 at 76, or 76 times 2, which is 152. And then to find the missing angle, we do 180 subtract 152. Here I have another isosceles triangle, but this time the given angle is 26 degrees. It's not one of the equal angles. Okay, so I'm going to label my triangle. I know that the total is 180. Okay. The 2 equal angles are missing. So I know this is an isosceles triangle. So the 2 equal angles we need to find the value of. Okay, now if I show that on my bar, I've got one angle which is 26 and the other 2 are equal, and I'm just going to call these A. Okay, and I need to find the value of them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the 26 from 180. Now I know that the 2 A's equal 154. How do I find the value of 1A? What am I going to do? Yes, I'm going to divide it by 2. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle and a square on a straight line. So this statement has already given me some clues. So here I've got my triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. I'm just going to label my shapes. I know that this is 180 degrees and that those 2 angles are equal. Then I'm going to label my square. What do you know about the angles in a square? Yes, they're all right angles and each of them is 90 degrees, so I'm going to write that in. And then we've got our straight line at the bottom there, and we know that a straight line is 180 degrees. Okay, so we want to find A. So I'm going to look at the angle next to A there. I can find those 2 equal angles first. So I know that the total of a triangle is 180. So how am I going to find that missing angle? Okay, so one of the angles is 34 and the other 2 are equal. So what am I going to do first? Yes, I'm going to subtract the 34 from the 180. And then I'm going to divide the answer by 2 to find that angle. Then once I've found that angle, I can add that. I can see that those 3 angles are on a straight line. So I can add that to 90 and then subtract that from 180 to find A. See if you can work it out.